Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. We are in İznik Gölü and the weather is not fully sunny at the moment. It's actually beautiful. It looks much more beautiful than it shows here. We couldn't come here earlier in the morning. It was actually very cloudy and it looked like it was gonna rain. That's why we came out almost at afternoon. Now it's almost 4:30 and it's beautiful. It's beautiful, even though we came unprepared. We could have actually made a cookout over here, mangal, but unfortunately, just like I said, we didn't bring the tools and the cookout stuff. Right. I'm here with my partner. Say hi. İznik Gölü. How many kilometers away from Bursa?
So many.
But it's worth it. Gerçekten it's worth it.
Bir saat.
Bir saat uzak. Ama aynı zamanda the vibes here are unbelievable. Look at this. Very clear.